Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of plus 0.58 in music, which is notably above the historical baseline. This indicates a rising positivity in how listeners are responding to new releases. Meanwhile, momentum is flat at plus 0.00, suggesting a pause despite the upbeat sentiment. Our API returns sentiment insights, including emotion scores and semantic clusters, allowing you to understand audience reactions in real time. Imagine you're a music streaming service looking to optimize your playlists. By leveraging this data, you can curate tracks that resonate with your audience's current mood, enhancing user engagement. Dive deeper into this powerful insight. Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.